and welcome back to another episode of Fanboy Conversion. We are back with our subject, Nikhil.
Hey.
You seem energetic today.
Yes, because you told me that today we are doing a girl group reaction. So
I already told you.
Yes.
Okay, I was supposed to give him the name and have him guess it because last time when I said NCT and he was like, oh, which group is it? What is it? So,
But now I know NCT, and they are one of my favorites.
if you haven't seen our reaction to NCT, please go
Please,
check it
please.
out. Right now, it was amazing. We were having
We were just blown away by it. Just blown away. It was amazing. It
and
was
we
out
were
of the
screaming all the time, resonate, raise it,
Resonate,
raise it,
resonate,
raise it, raise it.
Still hungover.
Absolutely. So go watch that right now.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Without
Without
delaying,
delay.
stop it. Without much delay, let's get into the reaction. We are reacting to twice today.
So we are reacting to twice. I can't stop me, and
Wow.
here it is.
Our fanboy is taking the lead.
Oh. Many people in India will be happy to see
The flower.
that look.
This is one of my favorite songs by Twice, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Nice, nice.
I love this song.
Uh-huh.
She's the leader, Gio.
She's very pretty.
All of them. Yeah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name correctly, but Zuyu, I think. Yeah, Zui. She went viral in India also, actually. I mean, obviously the locals don't know that she's a K-pop girl, but yeah, this one, Zui. Gio.
They all are looking so good, you know? Everyone.
I love them. I think she's your favorite. That is Meena. That is Meena.
Yeah.
She's very elegant and like very calm type of.
Yeah.
She's everyone is switching so quickly. Oh, that one is Meena.
Meena.
Okay, so we have found your bias.
Meena.
Meena. This is Zuyu. This fast light. ये नायोन है. This is my favorite part of the song. ये Momo है. She's a Japanese member. She's the main dancer of the group.
Well, Momos.
Oh, this is Sana. This is Cheon. She's the youngest.
Okay.
Okay, everyone's changing so quickly. There's more.
Okay.
I've never seen this part of the MV. Huh? What?
Oh, that was awesome. That was
Okay, I think that was
Awesome, man.
symbolic.
What?
Anyway, opinion.
That was awesome, man. That was just awesome. मतलब कि the song was क्या?
we're still staring, like we're still not over it.
It
행복해요.
was just awesome. Awesome.
Which member caught your attention?
Obviously that girl. What was her?
Meena.
Meena.
Meena,
Meena,
she's
yeah.
also from Japan.
She's from Japan. Yeah, she was so beautiful. So beautiful. I mean, I'm mumbling, you know.
He's unable to talk because he's struck by Meena's beauty.
But other
Meena
than that,
dance.
मतलब we just say कि they are beautiful. They are beautiful. But the song itself was such a beautiful song. मतलब it was not just beautiful. It was so energetic. So much fun. मतलब watching it, so much fun. I am going to listen to it while I'm at my job.
Yeah, I think the thing about I Can Stop Me, what I personally feel is that it's not very like a club EDM dance number.
Yeah.
It has a soft side to it, so you can be just like doing your chores at home. You know,
But then also it pumps you up.
Exactly.
Then also it pumps you up.
it's
मतलब
a beautiful. It has this feeling of retro R&B, sort of smooth, sexy mood it has, and it's
Yeah, it
beautiful.
has a
It's one of
sexy-
my favorite tracks by Twice, hands down. I love this track.
It has that sexy vibe also. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
it-
So after looking over on the internet, it's stop it, okay? I don't know why these days I'm having so much trouble pronouncing.
I think it's It's-
Pronouncing.
yeah.
What is
it's-
wrong with my language?
It's Indian way to say it is Juhi.
It's not Juhi.
It's Juhi. Juhi.
Juhi.
Juhi.
Juhi.
Juhi.
So Juhi
Juhi.
actually went viral in India. So
There's this athletic competition idols have in Korea. It's like a variety show, but all of these idols get to compete. So it's like a fun time for them. Like Big Boss? No, definitely not. No, it's like idol Olympics sort of. But it's not Olympics. It's like athletic championship. Yeah. So a lot of idols, all the idols actually, they interact with each other. There are a lot of funny moments there. It's a time for them to kind of cool down and have some fun from their such tough schedule. Anyway,
So in that Jui of Twice, she had this archery thing where her hair, it just after the arrow left, her hair like flew like this.
Oh.
So that clip went viral in India. The locals did not know who Jui was, but that
It
clip.
it reminded me that there was a scene in Bahubali where the Bahubali मतलब shoots the 3 arrows and one clips that क्या बोलते हैं इसको earrings of the heroine.
And yours is Meena.
Meena.
Okay.
Meena.
By next, coming to the song, what do you have to say about I Can't Stop Me?
I Can't Stop Me is मतलब it is going to my playlist. That's for sure. मतलब कि it's a very I don't know मतलब अपना जो वो नहीं था it's the time to disco.
Yeah.
मतलब it's old. It's not EDM or something like that. But
I
it's
get it,
fun.
I get
It's a fun song.
It's a fun song. Same way I Can't
Yeah.
Stop Me was
Yeah.
like give you
It
that
was a
kind
fun
of
song.
fun vibe to you.
Yeah.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But I want to ask you about that last scene, that car stopping on the edge of the cliff.
I am very
Yeah.
impressed that you're paying attention. Okay, guys, we have reached a very crucial moment in our fanboy conversion segment, which is so this guy does not know anything about this industry. We have said that again and again. But I thought that, at least he will start liking it through visuals, through songs. But now he's paying attention. He's paying attention to details.
Yeah.
Oh God, thank you.
But I'm feeling left out because you just quickly got मतलब
So,
some meaning out
The
of
thing
it.
is, the thing is that you're still not used to reading subtitles and watching the
Yeah,
MV
that's
at
the
the
problem.
same time.
Yeah.
I know that it'll be a little bit of a problem for you, but I am used to it. So I read the subtitles, and through subtitles, this is my opinion, by the way. I think that I Can Stop Me is about temptations or crossing
Yeah,
crossing
yeah.
dangerous
That
lines.
line, मतलब, yeah.
MV में भी एक portion
There was-
आता है where she reaches out.
Yeah, I
and
was
then-
going to say that कि that red color वाला mug, she was मतलब
and
sliding
उसका
around.
हाथ ऐसे जा रहा
Yeah.
होता है. So I think and the entire song is about like I want to go across that line, take that step. So I think end में उन्होंने दिखाया कि I can't stop me, and they went over the edge. So it's like a metaphorical
मतलब,
way of
yeah,
showing.
But they didn't went over the edge. It's just ended like that.
Yeah, it ended, but still, like, you know, they took that leap. So I think this last scene is a metaphorical way of saying that I can't stop me. Like, it's done.
Yeah.
What?
Then-
Okay, now that you have discovered that, what do you have to say about these K-pop songs
Madam,
having these
what-
hidden meanings and metaphors?
What I have one point to say to that कि the one thing that struck me कि मतलब they ace the dancing, the music, the singing, the rap, but also they also keep the theme going on throughout the MV. मतलब it was titled I Can't Stop Me, and they were dancing, having fun, but there was clip key of hand sliding to the other side of that line, the border line, the car, the bus. Just मतलब we don't know what happened, but you know they put little things going on, मतलब keeping the theme of the song. मतलब they created a beautiful song. मतलब if you watch it, it's such a beautiful song. But then also it's kind of not dark, but that theme going off, that showing the negative side also through a beautiful visuals. मतलब it's very unique, I think.
Wow, I think this is the first time Nikhil has spoken so much without a pause.
That's why I said let's do more girl group.
Yeah, he really comes out. Like his personality really shines in girl groups.
Cute
So
concept,
Twice started with like cute concepts, but viral music. Like if you will
Okay.
hear it, it will be stuck in your head. Like that type of song.
मतलब their song is not so cute and sweet.
Yeah, it's a cute concept, yes, but it won't be like, oh no,
Too
it
much
will be like, yeah, that type.
That I got from this.
You
song,
did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, because this is a more mature concept.
No, I'm not talking about the visual. I'm talking about the song. Yeah, well, I got that vibe. We talked about it. But the visual also was
Yeah.
very matured.
Schoolgirl
Typical
and
college
cute
and,
concepts, and which are again amazing songs, by the way. But with time, I feel like, you know, musically these them as artists, they are growing into more mature concepts and stuff. And for me personally, I love this concept. Like not too dark, not too cute, but
Yeah.
like just the right amount of sexy and the right amount of this. I love it. That's my jam. That's my thing.
Agreed. Totally agreed.
I Can't Stop Me is such a perfect song. Like I feel like it's so perfect. I love it.
So in
मैं
conclusion,
तो starting से बोल रही हूँ, this is my favorite song of
this is your
Twice.
favorite. I saw you were so much hyped about it.
Yeah, I love the chorus. I love the choreography.
That hooks.
I can't stop me, ooh, wow, wow. Good. Though I'm pretty sure this is not there. But but this is my
Yeah.
take. So that's it. That concludes the video, and we hope that you liked our reaction. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe, please share so that we can spread the message that even a non-fan can also become fans if guided properly. I feel like I'm doing God's work. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye.